Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Fortnite Strat Randomizer, which looks like that at the top left of my screen. And for me, it randomly selects a drop spot as well as something I always need to be carrying. So it updates on the actual overlay so you can see it during the game, and it also puts it in chat here. So I'm going to be showing you how to do both parts. And I'll also show you how you can show and hide the overlay and attach the commands to a Stream Deck button so you can just randomize your strat with the press of a button. So let's get into it. So the bot that I use to do this is called Lumia Stream. You can probably do this a million different ways with a million different bots, but this is my main bot, so that's why I use it. So once you got your Lumia Stream downloaded and open, we're gonna go down first into variables. You can toggle them on, and you're going to add a new variable. So these 4 variables here are the ones that we're gonna use today. So I'm gonna show you how to create these. First one is gonna be your drops. So mine is called Fortnite Drops. This is where we're gonna pull the random drop spots from. So in value, you're gonna do it like this. So it's gonna be double curly brackets, random underscore input equals, and then all of your drop spots separated by commas. And then when you've got all the drop spots in, you're gonna finish it off with 2 more curly brackets. Then you're gonna click save. The second variable is gonna be very similar. So it's gonna say Fortnite ABC. ABC means always be carrying. Again, you can name it whatever you want, but it's gonna be the exact same thing in the value. So 2 curly brackets, random underscore input, and then all the items that you wanna randomly select from separated by commas, and then finish it off with 2 more curly brackets. Again, we'll click save. So these are gonna be the variables that we use for our chat command, and they're also going to be used for our overlay. But to have them on the overlay, we need to create 2 more variables, which are these ones. And all you're going to need to do for this one is just name it. So you're just going to call it Fortnite overlay ABC. Don't put anything in the value yet, and just click save. Same thing for the overlay drop. So Fortnite overlay drop, and don't put anything in the value yet, and you'll see why. Make sure you save and refresh. Then we're going to go over into overlays. Add a new overlay. If you don't have one already, then click the pencil to edit. Once we're inside the overlay editor, go over to add layer, general, and then text. And as you can see, we're going to add 2 text layers. One of the layers, as you can see here, is just going to be kind of like your filler text. So it's just going to say flex will land at, line break, and always carry. And then that's going to just be our text. And then the other text box is going to have your random variables. So I like to line break these so that they appear nicely in line with the other text box, but you're just going to add the overlay drop variable and the ABC overlay variable. And you can easily find these by clicking this pink button here. Scroll down until you find them, and then you can just click these to insert them. But I'm just going to quickly show you why we needed the overlay variable. So if I go over into content, click the pink button and find my variables. If I just take the one that held all of the random items, as you can see, the text box is just filling up with all of the items we had listed in the value. It's not picking just one. That's why we need to have the second overlay variable. And I'm going to show you how we can use that. But when you've got these 2 text boxes set up like this, I'm now going to show you how to make the command to update this. So make sure before you leave that you save and copy URL to paste into your streaming software. All right, so we've got our variables, we've got our overlay. Let's go over now into commands. We're going to add a new command. And then if you don't understand this matrix for what I'm about to show you, you can click start from scratch, and it's going to look like this, which is what my current commands look like. So we're going to give our command a name. We're going to call it strat. Type is going to be no light change, and user level, I like to put it as user, which is yourself, and mod, just so not anyone can use the randomizer. Then we're going to go over to Lumia actions. Our type is going to be update variable. The variable is going to be the Fortnite overlay drop. So this one specifically, not Fortnite drops, Fortnite overlay drop. And the value is going to be Fortnite drops like this. So what's going to happen is Lumia is going to take one of the random items from the Fortnite drops variable and make it the value of the overlay drop. So remember how when we made the overlay drop variable, I said not to put anything in value? That's because Lumia is going to update the value for us and put it here by picking from the random drops. And we're going to do that again for the always be carrying. So it's going to be update variable. Variable is going to be the overlay always be carrying, and the value is going to be this one. Once you've got 2 update variables, the last thing we're going to do is chatbot, and the chatbot message is going to look like this. And it's important that you put the chatbot message at the end after the overlay variables have been updated, so that way it pulls the same information from the overlay into the chat message. So they're going to be the same. Otherwise, if you put the chatbot message first, the information that's on your overlay is going to be different than the information in the chat message. Then you're going to click apply and refresh to save it all. And then you'll see if I do !strat in my chat, it's going to update the overlay and put the same information in the chat message here. Now, if you've got a Stream Deck handy and you don't want to type the command every time you want to use your strat Randomizer, what you're gonna do is open your Stream Deck, you're gonna download the Lumia Stream plugin, then you're gonna take the command button and put it on your Stream Deck, and the value is gonna be the command we just created, which is Strat. You can also use the overlay visibility function, find your Strat Randomizer, and just have it set to toggle. So now whenever you press this button, it's gonna make the randomizer visible, and then you press it again, it's gonna take it away. If you're struggling with this at all, please feel free to go back in the video and try again, or join the Lumia Stream Discord and ask for help in there. They are super helpful and accommodating to everybody. And just let me know if you'll be adding this to your stream. It is really good for basically any battle royale game, Fortnite, Apex, anything like that. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.